This is your 1 Minute Coder News from the Voice of Custom Coding. Axalta released its 68th annual Global Automotive Color Popularity Report, revealing the most common automotive colors on the road today are white, 38%, black, 19%, and gray, 15%. Gray increased by 2 percentage points worldwide and is at a 10-year high. Consumer purchasing trends reflected in the report drive our development of innovative colors for the future, said Nancy Lockhart, Global Product Manager for Axalta. Recent automotive trends are in sync with the latest home fashion and product trends, including the interesting green-blue and green-yellow shades. Also noteworthy is the increasing global use of gray and color nuances that bring these colors to life, such as fine flake effects and hints of colorful flakes. And that's been your 1 Minute Coder News. See you next time.